Hello everyone and welcome back to Sew Aldo. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to easily update your old clothes that you don't wear anymore. If you're tired of clothes that don't quite fit right or just want to breathe new life into your wardrobe, you're in the right place. Join me as I share easy, step-by-step tutorials on how to update your old clothes and make them fit perfectly. From simple alteration to creative upcycling ideas, let's transform your wardrobe together, one stitch at a time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. Now let's get to sewing. First, I'm going to show you how to easily alter this blouse. So I got this recently. This is going to be a quick fix because the only problem with this blouse are the sleeve holes or the armholes. They are way too big. I tried it on and I'm just gonna pinch on the side seam and figure out how much fabric I need to take in. Then I marked it. It is about 1.5 inches on each side seams. I am basically creating darts on the side seam. And good news, if you don't own a sewing machine, you can easily hand stitch this. So this part, I'm going to show you how to hand stitch it. So I am doing a reinforced back stitch. This took me about 5 minutes to complete. A little messy, but you get the gist. Here, if you have a sewing machine, I'm just going to show you how to do it right here, and it took me 48 seconds. And this is the final fit. I absolutely love it. It is modest now, and I can't wait to wear this out. The second project is another side seam alteration. So I made this dress a few months ago or last year, I don't even remember, but I accidentally put it in the wash and dryer and it shrunk and now it is super tight. So I'm just going to open the side seams and unpick the hemlines as well, and I'm just going to first iron the side seams so I can use my serger. I don't have enough seam allowances for this, so I'm going to try my best. Really, I'm just going to serge the side seams and finish the hemlines, and this is the final fit. It's still very tight and I can't do anything about it anymore, so I'm just going to get rid of this dress. The third project is this dress that I made a few months ago. I absolutely love it, but honestly, I am not in love with the sleeves, so I'm just going to remove them. My original plan for this dress was a cap sleeve dress, but it didn't turn out right. Then I decided to just do puff sleeves, and honestly I'm not in love with it because it just doesn't look cute and it's just, I think it's too much. So today I'm just going to remove the sleeves altogether. I'm going to serge the armholes, then fold it in and hem. It's super simple. And this is the final look. I am so in love with it already. I can't wait to wear this weekend. Thinking of adding some ruching at the center, but I haven't decided yet. Last but not the least is this gingham dress. I absolutely love this. I've owned this dress for a long time and I wear this every summer, but for some reason this summer I haven't been reaching for it because it's just way too hot here and I feel like this dress is outdated. And plus I absolutely hate the bow on the cuff sleeves, so I am just going to remove the sleeves altogether. And this gave me this opportunity to tailor this dress because before it was a little baggy on me. So I am going to shorten the shoulders. As you can see here, I was doubting myself. I trim off a little bit of the seam allowance. Then I went back again and just be brave and just trim it off altogether. After that, I am going to overlock the edges and fold it in, then hem it. I realized I didn't try it on the dress and it was a little baggy on the side seams, so I decided I'm just going to take it in anyway because hey, this is my opportunity to tailor this dress because like I said before, it was baggy to begin with. So I am going to take it in from the sides by about 1.5 inches, and I'm just going to create a big darts from the underarm seams all the way to the waistline. Let's unpick this side here. This is the hemline for the sleeveless, so I make sure I remove that first, and then I'm just going to stitch along here and trim off excess fabric. It would have been easier if I take it in from the sides first before hemming the arm side, but hey, it is what it is. We are here and the dress is almost complete. Then I'm just going to hem this part that I unpicked earlier, and this is the final dress. Yay, I love the fit. It fits perfectly. It's not baggy anymore and it looks fresh. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you find this sewing tutorial helpful, and if it did, don't forget to follow, likes, and share if you are watching from my Facebook page, and if you are watching from my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to leave me a comments down below. That will help my channel grow. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.